braucu ar skūterīti. GTA 5 Beach action. Nē, tur bija GTA 5 Beach, šeit ir bišķi mierīgāks. Bet stils parādīšu, kā izskatās. It's Max.
It's actual speed.
Viņš iemācījās deju. I'm telling them that you don't know the dance. Like.
That sent 50 euros, I felt so bad that he sent...
Why?
Because he sent 50 euros and he asked me to dance the Fate of Ophelia.
Yeah. Woo. Damn. Wow.
And I didn't, because I didn't know the dance. So I learned the dance. I spent like 3 hours learning. Yesterday I was 5 a.m. I was on TikTok trying to memorize the dance, and now I know the dance. So some time today we're gonna do the dance for you guys.
Viņš dara visu, lai mēs viņam izmaksātu pāriest kaut ko. Mēs varam viņam izmaksāt pāriest šodien, ķipa par dansi, jo viņš teica, nu jūs dzirdējāt, viņš teica, ka viņš jutās sūdīgi par 50. So viņš ir gatavs dansot par banāniju. Labi, nosod, nosmieklīgi. Tā izskatās apkārt šeit. Mēs esam GTA 5 roleplayā. Es šodien pamodos, paskatījos, ka mēs bijām uz gaisa balonu. Foršs gaisa balons, bet bija šī mīnus vaibiņš, tāpēc, nu, ķipa no rīta tas viss ir. Līdz ar to tu neesi tā kā pietiekami izgulējies un tev tās, kas notiek vispār. Atbraucām mājās, atkal pagulēju, piecēlos, paskatījos, cikos tur lidojums man ir. Un actually parīt jau to projām viss. Es pačikoju, cik maksā extra legroom. Ķipa XL krēsli, extra legroom. Un es paņēmu čat. Es paņēmu. Maksāja 40 eiro. Es paņēmu, sorry. Tā kā es ļoti ceru, ka tas man izglābs sēdēt blakus kaut kādam, bet, es nevaru. Ķipa, es esmu lidojis, cik tur, 11 stundas ekonomu klasē, viss fine. Kad tev blakus sēž, Rebeka Rupucis, viss fine. Bet tad, kad tev sēž blakus tas, kurš tā šņoris tur rīt, es nevaru.
Can you see his username?
Boikalo.
Yes, he's the one that sent 50
Bro, you even screenshotted it, like,
Yes.
you went.
Yes, bro, like when somebody sends a 50 euros, like...
Okay. We're gonna eat today, so it's your bill on my today.
Okay,
Like-
guys, where's Bukalo? Where's him? I'm only going to dance when he's on the live.
But that doesn't mean you can order anything, you know.
Yeah. Just lobster, right?
That's
guys?
lobster.
Lobster.
GG.
Type W if I can order the lobster on Raymond's.
Yeah.
W?
No.
Any W's?
L.
W.
No, don't read that.
W.
Kodam Maksam lobsteris jāper. Kāds lobsteris?
Got lobster today.
Oh, no.
On you, bro.
Tā čatiņa Maks sūtīs par Žosko vai atpelnīt čatu. Lai streams nav mīnusā.
Talabat, you can have.
You want to order on Talabat now?
Yes, you could order on Talabat and just pick up. Or tell them to deliver here.
Max, I thought you are vegan or something like that.
He wants to be.
Yeah, I want to be vegan, but I'm not vegan yet.
You're not vegan?
Not yet.
Wait, you want to be like vegetarian or vegan?
I guess vegan.
Vegan is hard, like it's hard.
What?
No, to be vegan, it's hard to be vegan. Like you can't eat anything. If you're vegetarian, you can't eat. You can eat like eggs.
Order something here?
I don't know, like whatever you want.
Shit, I don't care as well.
Ņem šeit, ir ok.
It could be like a hot dog, it could be...
Vaļīgās arī ir. Kas ir vaļīgās? Okay, so you choose Max.
I don't know, like... Where are you guys going?
Par cik melnē tur nekas te netirgojās, nekāda melnē. Viņš arī netirgojās. Viņš Nē.
No, I don't like those.
Normāli mums dot vienkārši kaut kādus pārpalikumus. You wanna try? Like, bro, you wanna try? Like, what is this? Pati ēd šito.
Pagaršo.
Kos pagaršo? Ko tu normāli?
Latvian, I don't understand. I don't like it. Matt gave me one day, I don't like it.
Pagaršo. Okay, Max, choose the hot dog. Max, bro, if you're not gonna choose the hot dog, I'm gonna choose it for by myself for you.
Choose for me then.
Okay?
No, but tell me what you choose.
I mean, chat gonna choose.
Okay. Guys, I'm gonna let you choose what I'm going to eat. Please don't do anything bad. Okay? You promise?
Fish hot
Fish.
dog.
No, I don't like fish. I don't like fish.
Es paņemšu gan jau kaut kādu vienkārši šo te mozzarella sticks, ne? Fries and curry. Es šo paņemšu. Un ko Maksam? Ko es te redzat labu?
Nu, viņam šņīceli noteikti vajag.
Šņīceli?
Jā.
Nu, mēs meklējam kaut ko ar zivīm. Nē, kaut ko normālu. Ir kaut kas mega as, vai viņam garšo as?
Viņam negaršos.
Viņam negaršo as?
Nē.
Damn. Izlutināts, jā. Kā izlutināts angliski? Spoiled?
Jā.
Bro, you're spoiled, bro. They're saying you're spoiled.
Wait.
Bro, choose goddamn food.
Wait.
Olayı
Guys, what do you think I should choose?
Oh, bro, viņš jau 10 minūtes nevar izvēlēties.
So let's order juice, orange juice,
Yeah.
bread special, double.
No, actually, no. Take this one for you, as you wish. Take it.
Okay, single for me and
Yeah.
then fries.
Yeah. Just fries and curry for me, and drink.
Curry?
Fries and curry.
You
Fries
like
and curry.
curry?
I mean, yeah. I can try.
Do they have mozzarella? Oh, I love mozzarella sticks.
Okay, take mozzarella sticks. So.
5.
Yes. So mozzarella, this one, and what to drink?
Okay.
Oh no. Bro, take mango paradise for me. I will take mango paradise.
Okay.
Yeah, mango paradise. No. This one. Take this one for me. Okay.
It smells good. Look.
Phew, I don't like it because it's the hands got sticky after some time, you know?
Oh no.
Yeah.
No shit.
Yeah, after.
Really?
Yeah, like let it, блядь, kā pateikt, nosusināt. Do you know any Latvian words, like normal ones?
Pista.
Okay, something else?
Qua.
No, with the expression,
What?
What? Yeah, cool. No, okay, that's a bad one. No, you know, when someone is telling you something like some bullshit, they're selling you some bullshit that you don't believe. You have to say like, what to dear?
Bro, that's too long.
No, not like, it's easy.
Say it again.
Like, what is this bullshit? Who to dear?
Who to this? Who to this?
Perfect.
Ar divām desām apskaties kāds milzenis. Trekens.
Stūķē iekšā. Oh! So they were asking, do I have N-word pass now?
He has one. Just one?
Just one. I'm gonna use it like at the right moment.
She said that Raymond's couldn't get cucumber, right? So I told her to put on mine and then I'm just gonna give it to him. Act smarter.
Kaut ko viņi tur sapisās, ieskaitīja tikai vienu džuisu. Kad tur ir hazi? Apisa pahodu. Noskamoja. Kračo, Maks bišķīt sapisās.
Guys, this is not acai. They scammed me. This is shit. This is disgusting. Guys, look at this.
Big sausage.
Yeah, baked sausage.
Damn, bro. Kur ir Briksters? Briksters šodien paņēma day off. Viņš jau tā naktī, es koči guļu, pamostos no tā, ka man roka šitā ķipa. Zini, un es domāju, ka tā ir mana roka vienkārši notirpusi, un es nevaru viņu dabūt nost. Un es koči ņemu ar savu otreiso roku, un tā ķipa mēģina pacelt. Un tā ir Brikstera roka, gan tik smaga. Bro, viņš man pa naktī tur kasīja, man liekas.
Max, move. Okay, bye.
Bro. Tāda tieši aizmugā, jo man es...
Čatiņam padevu.
Bļāķis. Maks.
Get. Who's get?
Bro,
What?
stop.
What? Why? Why are you guys laughing?
You know what does it mean? I will tell you later, but please don't scream it again.
Okay.
Bikala numata 50 pateica dance un dejo un danco, karoči, un dziedi. Un viņš nezināja to dziesmu, viņš actually 5 no rīta mācījās to dziesmu. Bišķi tāds neliels GTA vaibiņš. Piespasa, ok, pati čekojot. Smuki izskatās, ļoti daudz cilvēku. Ļoti daudz cilvēku. Un ziniet, kas krūtē ir tas, ka ja tu kaut ko aizmirsīsi, kaut ko atstāsi, neviens neņems. Kā viņi tika galā ar to, ka šeit ir tikai pārsvarā tikai normāli cilvēki. Un, ja tu kaut ko nozagsi un tev būs milzīgs fains, nezinu, ka rokas nogriezīs, cietumā ieliks. Neviens neko nezod. Latvija nepietrūkst. Pietrūkst. Es saku, šeit viss izskatās tāds fake. Ejai. Nereāli. Tieši tā kā saka, ka tur viens paņēma uzbūvēja pilsētu priekš sevis no sērijas. Tā arī ir. Un cilvēki te dzīvo. Bet te dzīvot ir fucking tik dārgi. Pārāk labi viss izskatās, jā. Actually, pārāk labi viss izskatās. Tāpēc Ferrari durvīm neko neteica. Es tak nepastāstīju. Karoči par Ferrari es izsaucu viņu uz lokāciju, lai viņš savāc mašīnu. Viņš atbrauc, viņš iekāp iekšā, mēs vēl apmetām aplīti, lai noparkotos citur. Es domāju, ka mēs īstenībā to apmetām aplīti, tāpēc, ka viņš gribēja paklausīties, vai mašīna brauc, vai nav nekas. Un viss bija kārtībā. Un tad mēs tur apstājāmies, viņš izkāp ārā, burtiski, minūte, 2 varbūt. Viņš apgāja apkārt, viņš safilmēja apakšu, Viņš iekāp iekšā mašīnā, paskatījās, cik ir tie tur kilometri nobraukti. Un visam pateica, ka man ir jāsamaksā 70 tur viņu naudiņas, jo es esmu braucis pa kaut kādiem maksas ceļiem. Bet tas ir normāli, Daranam arī tas pats bija. Visi samaksāja to un visu. Un viņi pateica, ka visu labu, paspieda roku un visu labu. Jūrmalā iebrauc. Moškodā Jūrmalā iebrauc kaut ko tam līdzīgi. Nē, speeding tiket nedabūju. Mēs pēc tam paskatījos to klipu, kur bija tas radars nofučēja, un tur blakus brauca mašīna. Viņi brauca ātrāk par mums, tad jau pēc tās loģikas vajadzēja abiem diviem būt tā, ka kaut kas tur nofučēja, bet tā nebija. Okay, because that guy in the chat, he's asking like...
Is he there?
Yeah.
Let me see. Oh, you're here. Okay. Soon. Did he say what he said about 50 euros?
He states a speed has to dance for 50.
Oh yeah. I'm going to. I didn't forget you. I spent like probably 3 hours learning how to dance the Ophelia.
Normāli Petrovs pisies uz mājām. Petrov, kas ir? Es mierīgi savu čīroju, strīmoju. Petrov, tu vispār nevienu labu vārdu neesi pateicis, kamēr es esmu Dubajā. Tu redzēji, ar kādu tačku mēs braucām, Petrov. Par 1200 eiro dienā. Par tačku. Štūka 200. Un es viņu paņēmu. Štūka 200, es viņu paņēmu, es viņu izīrēju, lai mēs ar Brigzī varam pabraukāt. Tur bagažs ieskait. Nē, vienreiz mūžā jau var. Es tev mīlu gaidu tev mājās. Petrov, tā jau labāk. Jā, Petrov, vajag kādreiz tev arī atbraukt uz Dubaju ar krūtu. Izīrēsim ar tevi krūtu tačku, pabraukāsim. Žoska, Petrik, žoska. Gaisa puķi, ja? Gaisa puķi tie ir, ja? Smuki.
Like this one, it seems like they...
You got like a salt.
The milk powder is bad.
Salty. Yeah.
The person?
Oh shit.
Da nē. Tur, bet... Max, what happened, bro?
It tastes like strawberry.
Littering. 500 dirham fine.
Really?
Yeah? Bro, you just made it worse, bro.
No, nobody sees it now.
Aperto.
Bro,
Kas pa čoku?
It tastes like it tastes fake, you know?
Do you remember Papa Petrov?
Yes.
He's in the chat now, Papa Petrov.
Hi, Papa Petro.
Yeah, he's 50 years old. If you talk in English, talk slowly.
Hi, Papa Petro.
No, Peppa, Petra.
Papa.
Yeah. Un tā, Petrov, viņš tev čau saka. Es tagad Pepe. Papa Petrov is now angry, like a bit angry.
Why?
Because you called him Pepe.
I'm angry.
Whoa. Pepe, Papa
Sorry,
Petrov.
Papa Petro.
Papa Patron?
My leg hurts now. Fuck.
It's okay. Don't rush.
Show them the sun. Show them the sun. Look, it's so pretty. The view's pretty. I don't know why, but things just look so beautiful here in Dubai.
Mums tak tā nav Latvijā. Te katru dienu ir šāds dienas nobeigums. Saulrietis, katru dienu te viņš tāds ir. Neviens nepeld? Nē, šeit peld tikai. Šeit var peldēt tikai kaut kādi īpašie. Jā, čats. Daren aura farming. Darens mums aura farming. Stāvi. Daren stāvi nekusties tagad. Damn! Aura farming. Čaris aura farmo.
Jā, šādiņi. Re, kur ir pilsēta fonā. Tagad?
Aura farming. W. Kāpēc viņi redz? Tas ir vlogs vai tā bija bilde? Jā, nu nē, pisās. Kas tas tagad būs? Main characters. Bļā, kas tas pa main characters? Reāli.
Uzmanies no viļņiem. Pietupies. Pietupies, tā kā mēs. Ok, tu esi kadrā, bet nav auras, pagad. Šitā ir aura.
Mūsu aura, Betsy.
Tagad ir aura. Mūsu acu priekšā.
Did I aura farming there?
Yes.
Yeah, it was aura farming.
Yes.
But you're gonna be the driver.
Okay.
Bro, but you have to drive carefully, please.
Okay, I'm gonna jump.
No! Bet šitas ir slimais, es jums saku, Maks ir slimais.
Guys, how much euros you give for me to jump in the water? It's pretty cold here. How much would you give for me?
Nē, nothing.
I'm gonna do it for 5 euros. 5 euros.
5 euros? Bro, no, bro.
5 euros. Who sent 5 euros? I'm jumping in the water.
5 eiro viņš lec ūdenī. They don't want to...
If nobody send 5 euros in 2 minutes, we are not doing it
Es
anymore.
būšu lifeguards, es būšu lifeguards.
That's it. Because I have a broken leg, by the way. So I have a broken leg. I don't have clothes
They
to go
don't
back
want to-
home.
they don't-
It's cold.
They don't want to donate because they don't want you to get sick, you know. They like care for you. That's
No, I'm
why.
not gonna get sick. I'm from Brazil.
1 minūte 13 sekundes. Maks skrien iekšā ūdenī un brauc slapš uz mājām.
If you guys want
Bros
me to do
begging for
challenge,
Raimonds. Nē, tas ir challenge, chat.
Yes,
That's
it's
a challenge. That's it.
20 seconds,
Bro,
guys.
you are cold.
Yes, I'm cold.
Boy.
I'm like dying cold. Oh, right outside. Yeah, PLN.
That's a Polish.
It's time to jump, yo general.
But that's fake, bro.
I don't know if now I kind of want to do it for the guy.
For 5 zlotys, it's like 30 cents, bro.
Oh no.
1 euro. That's 1 euro. 1 euro 19 cents. Damn, that's.
Guys, I'm gonna give you more 2 minutes. Okay?
No, bro, let's go. No, fuck it. Cik viņš ir rēcīgi iespaskatieties. Nabaga Maks. Ja domāju, tas citā valstī tev 19 gadi.
If you guys send more 4 euros till we get to the scooter,
No.
I'm doing it. What do you think? Can we get in that view?
I mean, you are asking. I don't know why do you want to do that?
I don't know, like entertainment.
Entertainment to get wet or drive to home and get sick?
Yes.
Nu, tā nevajag, jā. Es jau sapratu, ka dirsā čalītim cieta, bet viņam tā ir, viņam cieta aizverās kaut kas. Viņam tā kā, viņš ir dīvains, viņam aizverās dažreiz ciet. Viņš vienkārši sāka vienā brīdī, ķipā, davai tagad darīsim šito un visu.
Who knows?
We have scooters there?
Yes, it's hollows.
Tā, čatiņ, kāds var paņemt man?
We're lucky, bro.
Čat, kā ir? Cita diršana, ne? You lead the way. Maks ir Dubajas skūtera eksperts. Nu, varbūt nav. Kas tie pa ceļiem? Maks, what the fuck is this road? Jā, tā arī zināja. Tā arī zināja, ka kaut kas ārā mašīna Latvijas sabraudzējas. Vai viņš forši? Teikšu tā, Dubajā vai viņš forši? Ja ir nauda. Ja ir nauda, tad vaibiņš ir. Kad naudas nav, tad te vaibiņa nav. Bļats, savībais. We call in the chat. You are ready to do the dance?
Yes.
Okay, right now.
Now?
Yeah.
Where's Bukalo?
He's here in the chat.
Also sing or not?
You have to.
Okay.
Damn, chat. Damn, is this real life? Is this real life? Jums kvalitāte normāla ir? You gonna do this dance?
Yeah. That's what he asked. Bull calls. That's what you asked, right? That's it. Bro,
But you
everybody looking at me.
But you were the singing.
Oh, okay, I'm gonna sing it without a song.
Yeah.
Can't keep my head on the limb, the sea, the sky. Na 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 na. Your vibes and your head away you bend. Okay, that's it.
That's it? Okay, can we go now? No, it's double, they're joking. Double. Nākamais līdz Zilupei. Bet pat ar skūterīti līdz Zilupei. Nē, skūterīti līdz Zilupei varētu vienā dienā aizbraukt. Briksters jūs pliks sagaidīs. Davai paskatīsimies, kuru Briksters mūs sagaidīs. Jo, es strīmoju. Tevi drīkst rādīt? Labrīt. Вставай, блядь. Вставай, блядь.
Papa, не пизди меня, папа.
Ko tu tur paga? Business? Good morning. Business. Vai aura farming?
Bļa, čari.
Oh. Iesim rekur lejā. Uz šitiem te. Uz šito iesim. Peldēties.
Good morning, chat. Good
Mēs
morning.
negājām peldēties.
Tu kakā un klusa, es ar čatu runāju. Čat, davai, viens gifted subs, un es izslēdzu Raimondam uz gaismu, kamēr viņš uz poda. 5 subi. Tev nerāda alertus? Es jums čatu uzticos. Tagad ir tumšs, jā. Reku tolets loks. Bet pagatīmā, viņš ar to logu gan jau arī gaismu redz. Es pilvenu ieliku logā. Быть богатым охуенно. Ёбайся. Nu šodien, bļā. Čat 5 gifted subi. Es ar karatē sitienu situ pa kāju. Ja! Max, 5 gifted subs I hit with karate hit on your leg.
They're not gonna do that.
They probably will.
They love me.
They
Bro,
will.
I said 5 euros, I'm jumping in the
What
sea.
the fuck is 5 euros, man?
Yes.
Why are you lowballing?
And nobody sent it.
I'm asking-
I said 5 euros and I'm
Bro,
jumping
they
in the
legit
sea.
paid 25 just so I can, just so I turn off the light in his toilet. Bro, viņš izlīd ārā un ieslēdza gaismu. Vecais, man ir sava dzīvesvieta un labs darbs un biznes, kur mēnesī vēl plusā 300 eiro.
Damn.
Tas ir tikai no biznesa. Un tad viņam uzdirsa virsū, kas pa biznesu, ka pa 300 eiro mēnesī. Un tad viņš sāka rakstīt. Tas tikai no biznesa. Darbā uz rokas 1700 eiro. Un Dubajā es zinu, cik lēts rents šitām mašīnām.
Jā, lēts rents, tas ir dirsa. Nē. Ok, varbūt kādam štuka 200 ir lēts rents.
Kāds iekomentē komentārā, kur ir tavs rents? Es nesaprotu, kā tu viņu kontaktējies.
Nu, normāli, viņš normāls cilvēks.
Viņš ir zilais. Kā tu neesi vēl nojūties? Čau, tu
Viņš nepajautāšu.
Viņš dzied Taylor Swift un dejo.
Nu, man arī Taylor Swift patīk.
Tu arī esi viens no tiem?
Nē, bet man patīk Taylor Swift. Max, do you like Taylor Swift?
Wait, let me sing. Ophelia, can give 100 on the land, the seas, the skies, and all the... Guys, this part is hard because I don't know English. I don't know what she says. Na, 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 your hands, your vibe, yeah, the hell you been? Cause I'm about to make you have your sleepless nights. La, 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 la.
Okay, I have to like I like Taylor Swift as well, right?
But I just like some songs of her.
Okay. I have to ask you, are you straight? Max?
I feel like he's gay.
Bro, no, I'm asking you. Are you gay?
Blue.
Are you gay?
I don't know.
You're not gay? You're bio? I mean, I don't have anything kā pateikt, pret, man vienalga. Like, I don't care, but the chat is asking, you know? I'm straight, Max. I'm straight. I like you as a guy, like, as a match.
Chat, stop asking this, please.
Bro, I like you as a guy, but there's...
Stop asking.
Bro, I'm straight. I like girls.
Merda. I'm just speaking that. I'm just saying that words. Yes, security will come. Look. Bro, hush. The elevator starts to alarm. It started to see. Thank you.
I think you are gay.
He was lying. You can be together.
I'm not gay. You're leaving the chat now?
Yeah.
Блять,
I
viņš jau ielācījās čatu lasīt jau.
I created an account.
Damn, did I have shower as well? Damn, chat. Maks ar visu kreklu iet peldēties. Par kāju prasa. Viņam nepatīk tas pasākums, kas viņam uz kājas ir. It's because I'm black. Nē, bet tur pats, tur azietis viņam, aziāts viņam jautā. Kas ir? Bos ir basēnā. Kāpēc Maks ielien kreklā un tikai tad velk nos kreklu? Kas tas pa... Kas tas pa prikolu? Why you go into the water and then you take off... And then you take off your clothes?
Because he started asking me.
But why did you even have your clothes on? Like the shirt?
I thought I was going to be able to swim with the shirt.
Bro, what the fuck? Whoa. Ey, damn! Cik viņš ir karsts! Šitik karsts ūdens! What the fuck? Oh, what the fuck? Čot. Oj.
Oh, yeah, it's hot. Oh, this is nice.
Oh.
Oh, that's so nice.
There's like...
Oh my god, this is so nice.
Nu, romantiski mums ir, romantiski Dubai. Labs vibes, lai pasūktos. Nu, ko es varu teikt? Kas te uzrakstīja? Eglīte uzrakstīja. Nu, brauc, eku, pasūcies ar melno.
Mother, I'm gonna live here.
Bro, there's one girl, she's like, she has a crush on you. She's like saying like this is the best place to like make out with you.
How old is the girl?
I think she was like 25. 20. I mean, there's no picture here.
Yeah.
But she's typing in the chat. Look at the nickname, the pink one, Eglīte. Iepisiens, it's like I called here, like I said like.
Hi Max, hi.
Hi, jā, she's the one, jā. Viņš jau viss, es jau jūtu, ka kaut kas man pa kāju jau tur, jau aiztiek jau. Why are you smiling? You like Max Eglītes?
It sounds like Max Elite.
Max Elites, like.
Yeah.
Pasēc, cik viņš balts palicis. Damn, you're white now. Like, in camera it looks like you're white.
I am.
Can you say like something like good? I don't know, not good, but like something romantic in Brazilian.
Vai Corinthians, porra do caralho.
Oh, Corinthians, porra do caralho.
Yes.
Corinthians, porra do caralho.
It means, like, how can I translate it? Like, you're my sunshine?
Oh, she's crying now. Redz tikai balvus. They can see only the white teeth, your white teeth.
I show slow house, bro. It's pretty long. Like my hair, it's like you see.
They're talking about your dick probably, bro.
Oh,
Bro, we're gonna get like 5 to 10 girls that want to date you, and we're gonna make a show, like a dating show. So you will be able to choose the girl you like, or the boy. I don't know what you prefer, bro. I don't care. Do you know what Eglita said? She likes girls.
What?
She likes girls.
She likes girls.
Yeah, she's lesbian. Oh,
That's good.
why that's good?
Girls are way better.
Okay. Max, how did you break your leg? Once again.
Rollerblade.
Rollerblades.
Yeah, my sister got.
It was here or in Brazil?
Brazil. I had
damn.
to save my sister because my 10-year-old sister, she was with rollerblades too, and she don't know how to ride, how
Yeah.
to brake.
Yeah.
And she decided to go down a hill. And basically, at the end of the hill, there was a bunch of cars. You know? So I had to jump in front of her and save her.
Damn, bro, so you are a hero. Damn. Ну, нормально, mēs посидели. Nesūtīgi посидели, а Брикстерс ko? Ai, Briksters čūč. Ko tu? Tu spēlē, tu spēlīti.
Un tev stream skatījos.
Mēs normāli посидели. Es domāju, kurš parasti uz viņām follow, ķipa tajā reklāmā, ķipa, kurš, bļet, spiež un downloado? Rekuri tas, kuri downloado. Paldies, ka skatījāties Dubajas IRL. Ceru, ka patika. Man liekas, ka krutākais bija ar mašīnu braukāt, bet tas arī bija main, ko es gribēju ļoti. Damn, your hair is so strange, like it's like...
Yes.
It's different to European hair. Can I touch?
Yes.
Damn, bro, it's like a...
Yeah, look, this one. In
What
the
the
back
fuck?
is
It's
more-
your hair. It's not a wig or something. It's like Roltons. You know the noodles.
Yeah.
Yeah. What the fuck?
Yeah.
It's like a mop. Yeah, it's like a mop.
Mop?
Yeah.
Guys.
No, in a good way. Like this thing, bro.
No, it's not like.
Yeah, it's just like this.
It's like Hurley.
Все, чат, давай. Чао, 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 чао.